I'm John Gabriel Diquinia from grade 12 ABM Jacker. And now let's talk about my personal experience in senior high school and how the senior high school contributed to my growth as a learner or a person, and my funny moments, unforgettable experience, and others. And also message to my beloved teachers, friends, families. My experience in senior high school was transformative in many ways. It challenged me academically, encouraged me to explore my interests, and helped me develop important life skills. Senior high school contributed significantly to my growth as a learner and as a person, shaping me into a more confident, resilient, and empathetic individual. I am grateful for the opportunities and experiences that senior high schools provided me with, and I believe that they have played a crucial role in shaping the person I am today. My experience, unforgettable moments, and odd moments at my senior high school life as a AVM is bonding with my classmates, making activities, uh, pagsaka sa 4th floor, kay room naman sa grade 11 ara sa 4th floor. Sa buong grade 12, thankful kay ara na sa old STE building. Hindi na kami magsaka sa hagdan nga katas-taas. Kapoy-kapoy. Charot lang. And siguro yung mga school activities like FERDEB, ang amon nga cheer dance sa senior grade 12 nagdag-champion kami. So very happy, worth it ang amon kakapoy. Kag hatag time sa pag-practice. And unforgettable moments sa akon ang yung fashion show. I am the one nga napili top 10 sa white collection. I'm thankful. Alaki na ginastos ko. Charot lang. And per deb sa grade 11. Tapos ang amon nga mga school activities like sang speech choir, sa PE namon dance, dito kami naga-cram ang din sa ang math dati hirap ng stats at general mathematics, pero kinaya ABM kaya to. So, classmate ko, miss ko din yan ang amon nga ang bayanihan sa pag-answer. Tapos ang kagahod sa room, miss ko din yun. Tapos ang moments nga nagkalalahay kami, tapos nag close tapos make friends, develop friends, a family inside the room. Tapos mga moments sa teacher, and amon achievements. Subong bato kami research, defense, mga moments naman hindi kinahanglan unforgettable moments. Basta mga success achievements sini nga grade 11 ka grade 12, thankful gid kami. Also unforgettable experience nga nag-work immersion kami, naka-experience kami sang mag-ubra, kung gaano ka busy, gaano ka mag-entertain sa customers and others. And ang street dance namon sa PE, kagang mga achievements namon nga success. We are happy of that. My favorite teacher sa grade 11, siguro almost all. Yes, all. Except Sir Pats. Sobrang strict naman ni Sir Pats eh. Joke lang. Since subong nga grade 12, almost all, sarap. Love namin kayo, teacher namin. My message to my senior high school teachers, 11 and 12. My dear mom and sirs, thank you for everything. Thank you for developing our skills. Thank you for guiding us and teach a meaningful knowledge. And thank you for your support and thank you for your time. We love you, all my teachers in senior high school. To my circle of friends, thank you for your support and thank you. Ara ka mo, gabuliganan kita. Sa mga classmates ko, sasabi ko, this is the best classmates ever. Magahod ng perti kagahod, pero gabuliganay, tulong-tulong sa mga gawain. You're the best classmates ever. To my family, thank you for your support, providing my needs, supporting me, and helping me. I was so grateful. I have like this family, so very mapagmahal, maalaga, asikaso. I'm so grateful. Thank you so much, and thank you to my God for guiding me every day and protect me. Thank you so much. This is the end of my telling story to my senior high school journey. Thank you so much.